Today I'm going to show you how to download Sublime. It's a program for coding and markup. Just go into your favorite browser and click on the first link. Then you come to here. This way you're going to go to. Now we get to sublimetext.com. You're going to click on download for Windows. After the download completed, click on show in folder, which is going to be right down here at the bottom. Just click on it. And you're going to double click on Sublime. And this pops up for you. Set up and install Sublime Text 3. Setup will install Sublime Text 3 into your all-in folder. So you just go ahead and click next because all that's good. So let's click on next. Select the additional tasks you would like to set up to perform while installing Sublime Text 3, then click next. And this was it. Also, when you go down to Windows again, go down to it, click on it, right click on it, right click on Sublime Text. You can also click as run as administrator or pin the taskbar. So pin it to taskbar. Okay, here's Sublime again. When you click down, you can also go into the search icon and type in Sublime. You always have it pinned down here, right here at the taskbar, where it's always easier to find and operate. And open up, do your own text editing. Open up, the file location. Click on it. Come down to the icon. Come down to the program itself. Right click on it. And come down send to desktop shortcut and decide to create a shortcut for it. This way you always have save right there on the desktop as well. Right there. Okay, we're gonna try to type in some code. The link for this code will be in the description below. You just want to go to here. You're gonna scroll all the way down. To here. And copy and paste, or just click on copy right here. You're gonna go and you're gonna place it right in here. And right here on the file, go file, save as. Gonna type in index.html. Now to find the file, you just save. You go to File, Open. Where you find the file, we'll save it. Click on it. Click Open, and there you go. Thanks for watching the tutorial on how to install Sublime Text.